Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. In this video, we are going to learn how to create a WhatsApp chatbot for your smoothie bar business. Suppose you run a smoothie bar business and want to share daily healthy drinks with your fitness focused customer. So we can automate this process with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. Now if you also want to learn how you can create this WhatsApp chatbot with the help of Pabbly Chatflow, let me take you to the screen. In this video, we are going to learn how to build WhatsApp chatbot for your smoothie bar business. First of all, let me show you the chatbot that we will create with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. So this is our chatbot and we also see how it responds. First of all, go to our WhatsApp dashboard and simply type, I want smoothie. After typing, I am getting a response. Hey there, welcome to Fresh Blend Smoothie Bar, ready to sip on something refreshing today. What would you like to do? Now we have an option Today's Special. Simply click Today's Special button and explore the drinks. After clicking, we have a response. Today's Health Drink Specials. Berry Antioxidant Boost, Green Cleanser Smoothie, Tropical Carrot. If you want to pre-order your drink, simply click on Order Now button. After clicking, we have another response. Awesome, please share your full name. Now I am entering my full name, Test User. After typing my name, I am getting another response. Awesome, please share which drink you'd like to pre-order. I want Green Cleanser Smoothie. When would you like to pick it up? Simply I am entering the time 10 am. After typing time, I am getting another response. Just to confirm name, test user, drink, green cleanser smoothie, pickup time 10 am. Reply yes to confirm or no to edit your order. I'm simply click on yes. After clicking yes, I'm getting our last message. Hey test user, your green cleanser smoothie will be ready at 10 am. Stay fresh with Fresh Blend Smoothie Bar. So you will see we are getting the responses. Now go back to our chat flow section. We can also check all the responses in our inbox section, which we have received on WhatsApp. If you also want to create this similar chatbot, then follow along on my screen. First of all, we will open our browser and simply type www.pabbly.com. Now we have an interface like this. If you have already logged in before, then we will sign in, otherwise we will sign up. Since I have already logged in, so I will sign in. After sign in, we will see 7 products. We have to click on Pabbly Chatflow Access Now button. After that, we will see an interface like this. Now you can create your business account. If you want to know how to create a business account in Pabbly Chatflow with the help of Metaflow developers, you can easily do so by watching the video provided in the link description. How you can add WhatsApp number? Simply click on Add WhatsApp number. Now we have an WhatsApp Connect Beta Manual Token Connect. With the help of beta, we automatic update our access token. Now simply I am click on Manual Token Connect. In this we fill the details like Meta access token, phone number ID, WhatsApp business account ID, and simply select the folders and simply click on Next. After clicking Next, you have successfully added your WhatsApp number like this and simply click on Accessing. Now you see the navigation on the left side. In this we have Inbox section, Contacts, Team Queue, Templates, Broadcast, Flows, AI Assistant, Settings, Get Help. I already explained inbox section. In this section, we check the WhatsApp responses. Now we have contacts. In this field, we add a contact and create contact list like this. Now we have an Team Queue option. Team Queue is used to show the list of chart assigned to the team member. Now we have an template section. In this section we create a template. Simply click on add new template and fill the details over here and simply click on submit. Now we have an broadcast section. In this section, broadcast we use to share information with the large audience. Just click on add broadcast and simply fill the details over here and simply click on add broadcast. Now we have an flows section. Simply click on flows. With the help of flow, we are going to create our WhatsApp chatbot. And if you want to create new flow, simply click on add flow. Now we have an option AI Assistant. We use AI assistants integrating AI tools like ChatGPT to understand user message, generate smart replies, and automate dynamic conversation within the chatbot workflow. Now we have an option settings. Now we have an option get help. Now we create our flow. Simply click on flows, click on add flow. Now we have an interface like this. First of all, we rename our chatbot, that is WhatsApp chatbot for your smoothie bar business. Now we have two options, message and action. With the help of both of them, we are going to create our WhatsApp chatbot. Now we enter keywords. Hello, hi, hey, drink, and so on. Now we enter regex. For regex, we use the format /b, open and close bracket, /b, and we separate the value by using vertical bar. Regex is also used to trigger the chatbot when user raise a query. Now we take text button and simply write a message over here. Hey there, welcome to Fresh Blend Smoothie Bar. Ready to sip on something refreshing today. What would you like to do? Now we add button. That is today's special. This button helps us to proceed the next step, connect the flow. After connecting, we take another text button and simply write message on it. In this box, we will elaborate about our drinks. In this box, we will elaborate about our drinks like today's health drink special, berry antioxidant boost, green cleanser smoothie, tropical immunity shot, carrot ginger glow. Now we connect today's special button to this message box. Now we add order now button. Now we take question box in which we ask a name from user. Awesome, please share your full name. Now we select contact custom field, full name. In this we also select format, that is text format. Now connect this order now button to this question box. If user press order now button, then we will send our this message. Now we take another question box. In this we ask a drink from user. Please share which drink you would like to pre-order. Now select the contact custom field. In this we select drink. Now select the format, that is text format, and connect this question box to this box. Now we save the flow. Now if you want to know how you can create this contact custom field, just click on settings and click on contact custom field. I have already added some contact custom field like full name, address, email, contact number, quantity, order, date, time. Now if you also want to add contact custom field, simply click on add more field and simply type field name. I am typing XYZ and click on save button. Now you will see we are successfully create our contact custom field. Now we have an option field description. Also enter a description which helps you to identify the purpose. Now go back to our flow. Now we take another text button and simply write a message. In this message we getting the confirmation from the user. Just to confirm name, drink, pickup time, reply yes to confirm or no to edit your order. Now we add our yes button. Also add no button. Now we connect this question box to this message box and save the flow. Now we are taking another text button and write some message on it. This is our final message. Hey, full name, drink, time. Now we connect this yes button to this message. If user press yes, then we will send this message. If user press no, then we will transfer to the first message and save the flow. So you will see we are successfully creating our WhatsApp chatbot with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. Now simply go to our WhatsApp dashboard and simply type Smoothie. So you will see we are getting the responses. Now successfully we are creating our WhatsApp chatbot with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. Not only this chatbot, you can create multiple WhatsApp chatbot with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. Now if you have any question, you can reach us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can reach us at forum.pabbly.com. If you have any pricing related issue, you can visit our website which is given over here. Also, you can try Pabbly Chatflow and start building your own WhatsApp chatbot for free. Thank you.